video, you will learn about the third rule of changing direct into indirect speech. So what is the third rule? That is changes in some other words. What are the other words? This, these, here, now, sir, madam, today, tomorrow, yesterday and tonight. These are some other words. These are changes. This changes to that, these changes to those, here changes to there, now changes to then, sir or madam. If words are present, then it will be changes into respectfully. Today changes into that day. Tomorrow will change into the next day or the following day. Yesterday changes to the previous day or the last day. Tonight changes to the that night. These are the changes when you change the direct into indirect speech. Good noon, farewell, good morning, good day changes to greeting. Good night, farewell, goodbye. These words will remain as it is. They will not change. Now, what are the words you will skip? Skip these words: hello, now, yes, well, all right. All right. These are the words you skip when you change the direct into indirect speech. In the next video, you will learn about the kinds of direct and indirect speech. Here are the 5 kinds. I will discuss with you one by one. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.